My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Everything Music. Everything Music extension actually operates as a browser hijacker. It changes a lot of crucial browser settings, such as the default search engine settings in particular. This extension is spread through integration with many free applications. So in most of the cases, users download and install it unintentionally. And whenever this extension is actually installed and users submit some search queries, they would notice that the results are delivered by some unwanted search engines. If you are not happy with all these alterations into the way your browser functions, get rid of this extension by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Then you need to disable this extension and remove it from your Google Chrome. Also, we recommend you to carefully scan your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.